Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, there is something timeless about a black and white portrait, we all know this. Without the distraction of colors, the focus shifts entirely to expression, contrast, and texture. It's bold, dramatic, and often much more flattering. It's basically an old school type of photo. FaceApp has several ways to achieve this classic look, but the best method isn't just basically taking the color out or desaturating the image. It's knowing which filter creates the most striking contrast for your specific face. So let's check them out. First and first, you want to locate the Creative or Filters tab. Open your photo and swipe through the bottom toolbar until you find the main filter section. FaceApp has over 60 highly photorealistic filters, and several are specifically designed for black and white. Choose a dramatic filter. Don't just look for black and white, look specifically for the elegant filter. According to professional editing guides, applying elegant 30 is one of the quickest ways to create basically a sophisticated, high contrast monochrome look. You can then adjust the brightness and contrast. Once you select a black and white filter, go to the Adjust tool, slightly increase the contrast to deepen the shadows. If the image looks too dark, bump up the brightness just a little. This ensures the gray tones are rich and dimensional, not flat and muddy. So that's the whole point, that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching, I'll see you all in the next video.